PixaBay Bakes. Today we are going to be making some Christmas brownies but with marshmallows in them. But we will need some marshmallows, some chocolate, some sugar, some flour, some butter and some eggs. But before we get started, make sure you wash your hands. We preheated the oven and now we are going to gently melt our butter and our sugar. Pour it in really gently. Now we will add our sugar. And now we are going to stir it round. Now the butter has melted, we need to take it off the heat and add the chocolate in. And now we will mix it. It may look a bit weird, but it will taste delicious at the end. And you want to wait for a sort of nice chocolatey colour, like when you have an ice cream. Now the chocolate has melted and there's no lumps. Now we have to pour the eggs in and stir them. Okay.
Oh no.
Now the eggs are all mixed in, we're going to add in the plain flour. Now we are going to stir it. Next we're going to add in the cocoa powder and make sure there's no lumps. It smells so good. Okay, now we have to stir it. Now there are no lumps. You can add the marshmallows in to stir it and maybe have a little taste. Okay, now let's stir it. Oh, it looks so nice. It looks a bit like hot chocolate. Now our marshmallows are all mixed in and ready to go, so we can have a little taste. Now we are going to put our mixture in the tin. Now all the mixtures in the tin. I put baking paper in the tin so it doesn't get stuck. Now time to put it in the oven. Now our brownie's done. We have to get it out of the oven. But you might want adult supervision. Your brownie should look hopefully like that. Maybe even better. It wouldn't be a Christmas brownie without, well, Christmas decorations. But we are going to make the Christmas buttercream. Now we are going to add our butter in and mix it a bit. Then we are going to add our sugar in. Now we are going to blend our butter. we have to just turn it down a bit. And we're going to add a bit. We'll wait a minute to see, well, if we can see any white bits. Now we're going to add our milk in, then vanilla extract. I think that's good enough. Oops. Okay, now we're gonna turn it on a bit more. It smells so good. Okay, our buttercream is all mixed up, but we forgot something. We need to add some colour to it. So, we are going to be doing some Christmas colours. The normal, well, green, red and white. So, this is the white one, and we are going to do 2 big scoops of this because we'll probably need a lot of it. And now another huge scoop. Okay, now we're going to make the, well, green buttercream. First we'll just add a bit. And now we'll stir. We're making green for our Christmas tree brownies. We'll turn it down a bit. Oh, we'll add actually maybe a bit more. Add a bit more in. I'm happy with my green colour now. Now we are going to add our red icing in to make our Santa hats. Let's just turn it on. Okay, we're gonna just add a bit more. Our red's done. Now we have to wait for our brownies to cool. Meanwhile, we're gonna put some red icing in here. Now our brownie is cooked. We have to cut it into little triangle pieces to make our Christmas trees and Santa hats. One piece. This is quite tough because it's like a kind of tree brownie. You might want to get an adult to help you, but if not, you could just get them to walk you and you do it yourself. Another piece cut. We cut them into triangles and now we are ready to make our Santa hats. On each of them, we are going to put some, well, white at the top, like Santa's hat. Now we're going to do the trim at the bottom of his hat. Now we're going to do the rest of the Santa hat with the red. Now for my last one. Okay, we'll just fix them. Now we are going to paint our Christmas trees green. Don't worry about that noise, that's just my cat. I got some double deckers here, which are very chewy. What we're going to do is cut them in half, stick them like that, then we're going to attach them to our trees. First we'll just cut it in half. Now we are going to just stick them in. Stick them into your Christmas tree. Now our trees have got a trunk. But something's missing. I wonder where it is. Well, I guess we have to decorate our trees. You can use whatever you want. Okay, so you don't have to use these, but you can if you want. I got some Smarties, some stars, but also I got some shimmer powder. That means when you sprinkle it on, you won't really see, well, a decoration. You'll just see some nice shimmer. I put the stars on top of the tree. And now for the lights, or should we say baubles? We'll just put a few on each tree. Another pink one. Okay, we're done with this tree. Even though brown isn't festive, doesn't mean you can't put it on the tree. We're on our last one. You don't have to use these, you can use whatever you want. It's because I thought these might look good. I'm just gonna put one more maybe on here. I think we're forgetting something. Oh yes, we need some sparkle. So all you have to do is just press that down. Maybe a bit too much sparkle. Here we go. We have our own Christmas brownies. And please subscribe to Bella Bakes or like it and watch more.